H2 minus delta H1 is equal to delta Cp into T2 minus T1, or delta H2 minus delta H1 upon T2 minus T1 is equal to delta Cp. That is further equal to sigma Cp values for products minus sigma Cp values for the reactants. Similarly, if the reaction is being carried out at constant volume, then delta E2 minus delta E1 upon T2 minus T1 will be equal to delta Cv. That's equation number 2. But both these equations, number 1 and 2, are also known as Kirchhoff's equations. But for getting more correct results, the temperature change T2 minus T1 must be small, because Cp and Cv values are also temperature dependent. Let us solve the following numerical. The question is, for the reaction N2 plus 3H2 giving 2NH3, delta H is equal to minus 92 kilojoule at 27 degrees Celsius. Calculate the value of delta H for the above reaction at 37 degrees Celsius if molar heat capacities at constant pressure for N2, H2 and NH3 in this temperature range be 28.45, 28.32 and 37.07 joules mole inverse respectively. Let us solve this question. For that, let us first of all calculate delta Cp for the reaction. So delta Cp will be equal to 2 into 37.07 minus within bracket 28.45 plus 3 times 28.32. That amounts to minus 39.27 joule per mole. Now using delta H2 minus delta H1 upon T2 minus T1 equal to delta Cp, substituting the values, we have delta H2 minus 92,000 upon 310 minus 300 is equal to minus 39.27. This on calculation gives delta H2 equal to minus 92.393 kilojoules. So that becomes the answer of this question. The third factor is whether the reaction is carried out at constant pressure or at constant volume. This factor we have already discussed. The result is delta H equal to delta E plus delta Ng into RT. Now we shall discuss part second, which deals with different types of heats of reactions and their calculations. In this sequence, we have first of all heat of formation or enthalpy of formation delta HF. It is defined as the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a substance is formed directly from its elements. For example, H2 gas plus 1/2 O2 gas giving H2O liquid. The delta H is equal to minus 285.84 kilojoules. So this represents the heat of formation of water. But if we write the above equation as 2H2 gas plus O2 gas giving 2H2O liquid, then delta H of this reaction will obviously be minus 571.68 kilojoules. But this value cannot represent the heat of formation delta HF of water, because not 1 but 2 moles of water are being formed. Similarly, the delta H value of the reaction H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous giving H2O liquid, delta H equal to minus 57.27 kilojoule cannot be considered as delta HF for water, because